Like, share and subscribe. Let your money work for you, while you do nothing. By unleashing the power of compound interest. Are you seeking a financial strategy to maximize your wealth over time? Today, we will explore the incredible power of compound interest, a game-changing principle that can turn your investments into a growing fortune. Get ready to unlock the potential that will help you achieve your financial goals. Make sure you watch the whole video to get a link to a tool to help you calculate your possible goals and returns. Let's dive in. What is compound interest? Picture a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and growing larger as it descends. That's precisely how compound interest works for your money. When you save or invest money, you earn interest. But with compound interest, you also earn interest on the interest you've already earned. This means your money keeps growing at an accelerating pace, just like that snowball. Compound interest offers significant benefits over simple interest. Simple interest only earns interest on the initial amount of money you started with, not on the interest you've earned. However, compound interest turbocharges your financial growth by earning interest on your original money and the interest you've already accrued. This means time is on your side. The sooner you start leveraging compound interest, the more time your money has to grow. By harnessing the power of time and compound interest, your investments can flourish and ultimately lead to substantial long-term gains. A good example of compound interest would be: let's say you start with $10,000 and invest it at a 5% compound interest rate per year. After the first year, your investment would grow to $10,500. In the second year, you'd earn $525 in interest, 5% of $10,500, bringing your total investment to $11,025. As time passes, your money will grow exponentially thanks to compound interest. After 30 years, this investment would be worth $44,677.44. Use the calculator at the following link to calculate your own financial goals. www.investor.gov/financial-tools-calculators/compound-interest-calculator. You can also find the link in the video description. Now that you're familiar with the power of compound interest, let's explore some tips to make the most of it. Begin investing as early as possible to maximize growth potential. Contribute to your investments consistently and regularly. Reinvest your earnings to accelerate growth further. And that's it. You've discovered the remarkable power of compound interest and how it can help you achieve your financial objectives. Check out my next video on market emotion to learn why the best time to invest is when everything is doom and gloom in the investment market. Thanks for joining us, and here's to a healthy and prosperous future. Like, share, and subscribe to keep this content coming.